welcome back to the Insurance Guru. My name is Ayanda Malele and I am back talking about this wonderful subject, insurance as a whole, and just making sure that you understand what you are and not covered for. So today, or this video specifically, I wanted to discuss the concept of average. Average underinsurance. People get it's a headache. Because then what average means is like you claim for a TV because let's say, for instance, they broke into your house, they only took your TV, you have contents cover, and then the assessor comes to your house, then they say they're going to pay out average because you were underinsured, and then you only get like 5 rands from the TV, making a very drastic example. But it has happened to a couple of people where you get less because then people say, why was I insured in the first place? So there is this concept of underinsurance, and underinsurance as it stands, or what it means, is that you are insured underly. You know, you are not fully insured, you are underinsured yourself. For example, you find that, you look at your house, and when you want to insure your contents specifically, you will say to your insurance company, my contents are only worth 50,000. And in that, you only meaning your TV because you bought it recently, your fridge, and maybe your furniture that's in your lounge. And then your insurer takes that for what it is. So you say, okay, my contents are insured for let's say 50,000 rands. Very drastic example, but people actually do this. They say 50,000 rands, please insure my contents. The day that your TV gets damaged or gets stolen, the assessor comes to your house, looks at all your contents, and says, these contents, there's way more contents in the house. So we've insured the contents in this whole house for 50,000. Meanwhile, these contents are actually worth 200,000. So what happens in that claim? Then over here, I'm going to do like a little sum to show you. What your insurer will then do is pay out average. What is average? Average basically says we're going to take your sum insured divided by what you should have been insured for, the actual insured value, or actual value of your items, and then we multiply that by the loss. So in this instance where you covered your contents for 50,000 and they are worth 200,000 rands, if you are now claiming for your TV set, let's say your TV set costs 10,000 rands, your insurer is going to say, okay, fine, 50,000 divided by 200,000 rands, which is the average. And then that's 25% really. So we multiply that 25% times the loss, which is 10,000 for the TV, and you're only going to be paid out 2,500 rands. Now you are livid. How dare they? You've been paying premium, and how dare they? Had you, calm down, relax. It is the concept of underinsurance, because listen, if your house had burnt down completely to the ground, your insured value would still be 50,000, and the actual value of the goods would still be 200,000, and your insurer, even in total loss, would have only paid 50,000 rands because that is what you insured for. So how do you protect yourself from underinsurance? Looking at your contents for this example, you literally go into every room of your house and you sit and you think, how many panties do I have? How many bras do I have? How many stockings do I have? How many jackets from Trinity, from Woolworths? How many shoes do I have? Already in my bedroom, I'm worried. Because now I'm like, it's a lot. Yeah, so when you take it room by room, but literally count everything, the extension cord, you are counting things that when you turn your house upside down, and you go, woo, everything that falls out is your contents. And therefore, you need to adequately insure yourself and those contents for the right amount. You've got a lot of teaspoons. I mean, think about when you moved into your house as a student or whatever. You find that there's teaspoons, there's irons, ironing boards, washing baskets, then you need a peeler, so all these little things are actually part of your contents. So you need to include all of those things into the amount that you give to insurer so that you're able to be adequately insured in the event of an incident. And that is the long and short of underinsurance and average. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it taught you a little bit of something. I'm going to have a little bit more videos talking about other things, other themes. But if you do like, please click subscribe. Tell your cousins, your friends, your best friend. Tell them to watch me. I'm actually quite entertaining. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day further.